Welcome to Writing Tutorials. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to write an application for a blacksmith position. A job application letter is a formal document written by a job seeker to an employer when applying for a position. It explains who the applicant is, what skills and experience they have, and why they are a good fit for the job. Employers often read the letter before the resume, so writing a strong and professional application is your chance to make a good first impression and increase the chance of being contacted for an interview. Here, we will learn how to write a job application for a blacksmith position. By the end of this video, you will be able to confidently create your own or any similar hands-on skilled trade. Now let's go through the sample letter together. We begin with the applicant's personal details at the top, so the employer immediately knows who the letter is from. The letter starts with Henry Caldwell, 728 West Cedar Mill Road, Lexington, Kentucky, 40511. Email, henry.caldwell@email.com. Phone, 859-772-4910. This section is essential because it provides everything the hiring manager needs if they want to reach out for an interview. It includes full name, mailing address, email, and phone number. When writing your own letter, always make sure your information is accurate, up-to-date, and presented neatly. A clean presentation reflects organization and professionalism, which are important qualities in any skilled trade like blacksmithing. Next comes the date. Date: March 15th, 2026. Adding the date helps the employer track when the letter was submitted. This is useful for record keeping and shows that you understand proper business format. Always write the full month, day, and year to maintain a polished professional tone. After the date, we include the employer's details. Hiring manager, Bluegrass Iron and Forge, 1930 Highland Park Road, Louisville, Kentucky, 40206. This part shows that the letter is directed to a specific company and not copied and sent to everyone. Including the company name and address shows attention to detail and respect for the application process. If you know the hiring manager's name, you can replace hiring manager with their actual name, but if not, using the title is perfectly acceptable. Now we add the subject line. Subject: Application for blacksmith position. This is a short and clear statement that tells the recipient exactly why you are writing. Companies may receive many letters, and the subject helps sort and identify your application quickly. When writing your own letter, always mention the job title you are applying for in the subject line. Now we move to the salutation, the greeting of the letter. Dear Hiring Manager, the salutation is important because it sets the tone of respect and professionalism. If you know the name of the person reading the letter, using it is a great way to personalize your application. However, Dear Hiring Manager is always a safe and respectful choice when the name is unknown. Next comes the first main paragraph of the letter. I am writing to apply for the blacksmith position at Bluegrass Iron and Forge. With over 6 years of experience in forging, metal shaping, ornamental ironwork, and tool repair, I am confident in my ability to contribute to the continued craftsmanship and reputation of your workshop. This paragraph does several important things. It introduces the purpose of the letter, applying for the blacksmith position, and immediately highlights the applicant's experience. Mentioning 6 years of experience helps establish credibility right away. The sentence also lists specific skills such as forging, shaping, ornamental work, and tool repair, which show that the applicant has hands-on experience with different aspects of the job. Employers appreciate confidence when it is backed by real skills, so making a clear and strong opening is very important. Now let's look at the second paragraph. In my current position at Lexington Forge Works, I design and forge custom metal components, assist in equipment maintenance, and work with both traditional and modern blacksmithing tools. I am known for precision, creativity, and strong attention to detail, ensuring each piece meets both structural and aesthetic requirements. This paragraph goes deeper into what the applicant actually does at work. It explains the types of responsibilities handled in the current role, such as designing parts, making custom pieces, and maintaining equipment. Mentioning both traditional and modern tools shows versatility, which employers value. The paragraph also discusses personal strengths, such as precision, creativity, and attention to detail. For a trade like blacksmithing, these qualities are crucial. Metalwork must be both structurally strong and visually appealing, so highlighting these points helps the employer understand the quality of work the applicant brings to the job. Now we move to the third paragraph. I appreciate Bluegrass Iron and Forge's dedication to high-quality metalwork and traditional forging methods, and I would welcome the chance to bring my skills and passion to your team. I'm available for an interview at your convenience and can be reached by phone or email. This part is important because it shows that the applicant is genuinely interested in the company, not just looking for any job. Mentioning the company's values, such as high-quality craftsmanship and traditional methods, shows that the applicant has taken time to understand what the company cares about. This makes the application feel personal and not generic. The paragraph also includes a readiness for an interview and repeats that the applicant can be contacted easily. Employers appreciate clear communication and applicants who are prepared to move forward. Now we come to the closing lines. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to the possibility of contributing to your workshop. This closing is polite and professional. It expresses gratitude and ends the letter on a positive note. Whenever you write a closing line, avoid sounding demanding. Stay respectful and optimistic. Finally, the letter ends with the closing and signature. Sincerely, signature, Henry Caldwell. Sincerely is one of the most commonly used and appropriate closings for business letters. After that, the applicant signs the letter and writes their name. If the letter is printed, the signature is handwritten, and if it is emailed or typed digitally, typing the name is acceptable. Before we finish, let's go over some final tips and reminders. When writing an application letter for a position like blacksmithing or any skilled trade, always focus on hands-on experience, specific skills, and strengths that show reliability and craftsmanship. Employers want to know not just that you can do the job, but that you take pride in your work. Make sure your formatting is clean and consistent, proofread your writing for errors, and keep your tone confident but respectful. Showing enthusiasm for the company and understanding what they do can also give you an advantage over other applicants. And that completes our full breakdown of how to write an application for a blacksmith position. With this structure, you can now create a strong professional application that makes a positive impression. Thank you for watching writing tutorials, and keep practicing to improve your writing skills.